Hi, it's Nicole from Cricut. In this video, we'll show you how to find a community project in Design Space, demonstrate the slice and set technique, and how to press and complete the project. If you layer Infusible ink, colors may not be as vibrant, lines not as sharp, and you may leave press marks. Slice and set is a technique for pressing multiple colors of Infusible ink at the same time, which prevents these issues. Let's start on the Design Space homepage. Search for foraging in the universal search bar. Several projects may appear. Scroll down to Community Projects and look for the Foraging Gift Basket. While you're there, check out other community members' projects by clicking on a profile name. This will take you to the profile where you can follow and view their shared projects. You can also like, edit a copy, or save to make later. Open the project to edit your own copy. Look at the design for the tote. You'll notice that the colors have been sliced out so they fit together like a puzzle. To the right of the tote is the original image of the mushroom that would not work for Infusible ink. I'll show you how to slice multi-layered images like this one so they are optimized for multicolored Infusible ink applications. For this mushroom, the original image has 4 overlapping colors. Unlike with iron-on, we cannot overlap light colors over dark colors. We will reduce the image to 2. Non-overlapping layers. For this mushroom, our cream color will be the fabric of the tote. We will just keep the red and dark brown layers. Let's delete this shadow layer. We will hide the red layer so we can see the results of our slice. Select the dark brown outline and the cream inner layers and slice. Now we can delete the cream layer and the sliced brown inner layer, and finally, unhide the red layer. Perfect! It's ready to be applied to the tote. The rest of our foraging gift basket is tagged, so you know which blank they are sized for. We're going to hide everything but the tote bag images and click Make It. To maintain the design as shown, ensure that all mats are mirrored. Once everything is cut, you'll weed your Infusible ink, gently cracking along cut lines and removing the unneeded pieces with your hands. Make sure your hands are clean and dry when handling these. Select the piece with the largest or most intricate lines as your base and set the smaller pieces into them. You will keep the carrier sheet for the largest or most intricate part of the image and set the other layer using the carrier sheet's sticky back to keep the pieces in place. Take care to make sure pieces do not overlap, which could cause blurring of the design. Now your whole design is ready to be placed onto your blank. Refer to the Cricut Heat app or online instructions for temperature and time settings. Make sure to only use the heat press in a well-ventilated space. Place white cardstock inside of the tote. Use a lint roller and press out any wrinkles. Arrange slice and set images colored side down onto the blank, using heat-resistant tape as needed to secure in place. Make sure the heat plate will cover the entire design. Place butcher paper over the whole design and press according to heat guide instructions. Remove the press. Be careful, it's hot. Remove the butcher paper and carefully lift a corner of your design to check the design has fully transferred. Here's a tip. If you miss a spot and you have an Easy Press Mini or a small iron, you can touch them up. Remove all the transfer sheets to reveal your completed design. It looks great. In our next video, we'll focus on how to use Infusible ink pens and markers to create detailed images that can be transferred to your blanks.